Welcome to BrainBooster Nursing Hub. Today we will learn about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, a theory developed by Abraham Maslow. This theory explains that human needs are arranged in 5 levels, from basic physiological needs to self-actualization. Let's begin. Now, let's learn about the biography of Abraham Maslow. Abraham Maslow was an American psychologist, born on April 1st, 1908 in Brooklyn, New York, USA. He is best known for developing the Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory, which explains human motivation and basic needs. He studied psychology at the University of Wisconsin and later served as a professor at several universities. Maslow believed that people must satisfy their basic needs before reaching their highest potential, called self-actualization. His theory is widely used in nursing, psychology, education, and management. Abraham Maslow passed away on June 8, 1970, but his work continues to influence the understanding of human behavior today. Now, let's review the important exam points about Abraham Maslow. His full name was Abraham Harold Maslow. He was born on April 1st, 1908 in Brooklyn, New York, USA. He was an American psychologist and is famous for developing Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. Abraham Maslow passed away on June 8, 1970 in Menlo Park, California, USA. These are the key facts that are frequently asked in nursing examinations. Now, let's discuss the overview of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a motivational theory in psychology that explains human needs in 5 levels, usually shown as a pyramid. These levels are physiological needs, safety needs, love and belonging needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization. The first and most basic level is physiological needs. These are the essential biological needs required for human survival. If these basic needs are not fulfilled, the body cannot function properly. Examples of physiological needs include air, food, water, shelter, clothing, warmth, and sleep. Once a person's physiological needs such as food, water, and shelter are met, safety and security needs become the next priority. People want to feel safe and secure in their daily lives. They look for stability, protection, and control over their future. This includes having a secure job, good health, financial security, and living in a safe environment. If people do not feel safe, it becomes difficult for them to focus on higher level needs. Examples: personal safety, financial security, good health and well-being, safe home and workplace, protection from accidents and injuries, love and belonging needs. After physiological and safety needs are satisfied, people begin to seek love, affection, and a sense of belonging. Humans are social beings and naturally want to build strong relationships with others. These needs are fulfilled through family, friendships, romantic relationships, and being part of a group or community. When these needs are not met, people may experience loneliness or feel isolated. Examples: friendships, family relationships, romantic relationships, membership in clubs, teams, or community groups. Now let's discuss the 4th and 5th levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. The 4th level is esteem needs. At this stage, people want to feel respected, valued, and appreciated by others. They also want to build self-confidence and gain recognition for their achievements. Examples include self-esteem, achievement, independence, prestige, and personal or professional recognition. The 5th and highest level is self-actualization needs. This is the top of Maslow's pyramid. It means achieving one's full potential and becoming the best version of oneself. People at this level focus on personal growth, self-fulfillment, developing their talents, and reaching their life goals. Examples include personal growth, self-fulfillment, seeking new experiences, and maximizing one's abilities and potential. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope this video helped you understand Maslow's hierarchy of needs in a simple and easy way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to BrainBooster Nursing Hub for more nursing lectures, exam preparation, and important MCQs. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.